Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make an easy hot oil treatment that is good for dried and frizzed out hair. This is gonna make your hair really shiny and soft. You can do this once every month. So let's get started. So guys, these are the oils I'll be using for this hot oil treatment. The first oil you'll be using is olive oil. Yeah, this olive oil, I'll be using this olive oil. Then this is a moringa oil that I have left for like 60 days to infuse. Like, this is really potent. It's really powerful. Then I'll be using amla oil also. This also helps to promote hair growth. I'll be using this oil, jojoba oil. I'll be using coconut oil. I'll be using my DIY aloevera oil. I'll be using my DIY avocado oil. Then this is my DIY 30 days sitting down clove oil. Yeah, this is clove oil inside there. So I'm going to add in all these oils together. Unless I forget, I also added castor oil to this. So I'll be using 1 tablespoon. Yeah, this teaspoon. Yeah, I'll be using 1 teaspoon for each of these oils. So guys, keep on watching. So after adding the whole oils, I'll mix all of them together. This is what we have. The oil is really thick, so I'm going to use the double boiler method. Just put pot on the stove and add water. Then you just keep on occasionally stirring your oil till it's a bit warm. So I decided to strain this because of the little particles, like those are cloves you're saying. So I don't want the cloves to be on my hair, and this is what we have. So my oil now is ready for application. So I'm just going to pour this in my application bottle, then we'll head down to or for me to teach you all how to apply this on your scalp. My hair looks like, I hope you can hear me. So I'm going to lose this and I'll be right back. So fam, this is what we are working with. Right now my hair feels so dry, and also I want to treat it. So I'm going to be splitting my hair into 4 sections for easier application. Yes guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. This hot oil treatment, it helps to relieve your hair from being frizzed out, it helps in growth, it also helps to stimulate blood circulation. It helps when your hair is, when you figure out that your hair is damaged, you can use this to, retrieve your hair back. Like, fam, I'm on this hair growth journey for like 1 year. I'm so happy when my hair, how far my hair has gone, like with all the treatment I have been doing on my hair. I'm so happy for how far my hair has gone. So I'll just keep on applying this. I've been massaging this all over my hair. The key is to get the oil soaked all over my hair, but on my scalp, from my scalp down to the root of my hair, because I want my hair to benefit from all the nutrients from the different oils I used. So keep on watching. Guys, always remember the ends of your hair, because those are the oldest part of your hair. So I will be applying all this. I am applying all this all over my hair, but at the ends of my hair, and I'm also finger detangling. I don't use brush nowadays or comb, because I figure out that comb, using my bare hands, it reduces hair shed. Yeah, so I'm just going to be using this brush to stimulate the blood circulation. I use this when I'm washing my hair, so I decided to also use this to massage my scalp, to circulate all the blood flow on my hair. So after this, I'll be covering my hair with a cling film, and if you have a plastic bag, you can use a plastic bag. So I'm using this cling film to cover my hair, and I will use my shower cap. So guys, I will wait for like 2 hours. After 2 hours, I'll rinse this out. Like, I'll use a shampoo, but the shampoo I'm going to be using, I won't be using like black soap shampoo, because black soap, it tends to really exfoliate your scalp. So I don't want the oils I applied on my hair to disappear, so I'm going to be using a moisturizing shampoo. Then I'll use my condition, and I'll show you guys the finish results. So keep on watching. Leftover of the oil, I can put this in my condition and condition my hair, so it's not a waste. So guys, I am done washing and conditioning my hair, and this is what my hair looks like right now. It feels so soft. So this hair growth spray, I did a video which will come up either before this one or after this one, so you can know the ingredients. So I'm going to be using that hair growth spray just to apply it all over my hair, and I'll be using my Cantu leave-in condition, because I don't have any DIY condition, so that's why I have to use Cantu leave-in condition, which is also good. It helps my hair to stay moisturized all day long. Then I'm going to be using this my DIY oil. I did not use the hot oil treatment I use another kind of oil. This one is comprises of black seed. Yeah, I did a video about this oil. It's in my channel, please go check it out. So I'm just going to be rubbing this oil all over my hair, and after that I will use my moringa butter. This is the second batch of me using this butter, and it's giving vibes on my hair. My hair loves this butter a lot. So after that, I'm just showing you all how my hair looks like and how it feels. It feels so soft, so healthy. Like, guys, this is sponge. Yeah, so this is what my hair looks like after the hot oil treatment. This hot oil treatment was worth it. Like, 2 days once a month. If you love to wash your hair, you can do this every week. It's all depend on your preference. For me, I do this once a month. So Yeah guys, so thank you so much for watching. At the end of this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new, and turn on notification bell so that you will be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new one, and also like and comment and share. So I'll see you all in my next video. I hope you enjoy this.